Your brain doesn't need your alarm. It wakes you up on its own. Hours before you open your eyes, a tiny structure in your brainstem, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, starts counting down to the time you expect to wake. Not the time on the clock, the time your body has learned. If you normally wake at 7 a.m., your brain quietly begins preparing around 6:30. Your stress hormone cortisol rises, your heart rate increases, and your sleep gets lighter. It's not anxiety, it's anticipation. Neuroscientists call this predictive homeostasis, your brain predicting your future needs and preparing your body before you're even conscious. But here's the wild part. This system adapts. If you change your schedule, your brain rewrites your internal clock within days. If something important is happening tomorrow, it wakes you early. If you're sleep deprived, it lets you stay deeper for longer. Your alarm doesn't wake you, it confirms your brain's prediction. That's why on days you need rest the most, you wake up seconds before it rings. Your body isn't reacting to time. It's syncing with the life you're living.